Hey, so this morning we were getting ready for the day like we always do. I typically get my daughter ready, my husband gets my son ready. We're doing it all at the same time. And I'm a Scorpio, so I tend to be a little competitive. And so typically they get ready first and they beat us down to the stairs. But this morning, for whatever reason, me and my daughter got ready first and we were excited about it. So in my competitive spirit, said, we beat the boys are losers. And I was hyping my daughter up about it too. We were really excited that we were going downstairs. And then I hear my son mumbling, oh, mommy said I was a loser. And my husband was like, yeah, she probably went overboard with that. So I didn't think anything of it. Eventually the boys came down the stairs and my son calmly came up to me. He was like, mommy, I think you should apologize to me because you called me a loser and that made me feel really sad. I paused and I took him over to the couch and I was like, Cedric, I'm so sorry that I made you sad. That I was playing and I got excited about winning, but I never wanted you to feel hurt by that. So I'm so sorry that I said that and that made you feel that way. And then we hugged, we kissed, and all was well. But then it made me think, I'm so glad that I'm in a space as a parent right now where I'm able to hear feedback from my children and not take it so personally. Probably are other things that might happen or could have happened where my son or my daughter could have given me some feedback about something that I've done that I should not have done, or they didn't like, or that didn't make them feel good. And if I myself, or if we are as parents are not in a space to really be able to hear them and to trust what they are saying, even if it means that we are wrong about something, that can be so damaging for our kids because it doesn't allow them to trust their feelings about something. It leads them to doubt how they feel about something. It doesn't make them or help them feel confident to talk to somebody else about how they feel, but also super damaging for our relationship. Could you imagine if I would have said, oh, I was just playing, stop being such a sore loser, stop taking more serious? That would be so hurtful, so harmful, so damaging. And I am just so grateful that I'm in a space where I could hear that today and center him, his emotions, his feelings about it, and we repair it. So I think I'm sharing this to say kudos to you if you also are in a place where you're able to hear what your children are saying and not take it personal, but then also not make it about you. But also if you do struggle with that, because I think we all sometimes are there. We all have moments where we struggle with really getting the feedback, hearing the feedback from our kids that actually could help us grow as parents. If you're struggling with that, I really encourage you to take some time to really figure it out. What is within me that needs to be healed, that needs to be repaired? What unmet needs are there? How might I be overwhelmed, overstimulated, dysregulated, where I can't even see what my child is trying to bring to me? Ultimately, our kids need us to be present, to be focused, to be clear enough to really understand that they are people too, and we can learn a lot from them.